Hello everybody and welcome to one of our how-to tutorials. We are gradually looming into the month of June and our flower of the month this month is the garden rose. So we're going to feature quite heavily the garden roses today. Very lucky to be using the David Austin variety Kate. They come into you relatively tight like this, and after a period of about 2 days they develop like that, and that's fully developed. They do have a slightly shorter shelf life, I would say, than your generic florist rose, but the fragrance and the shape, well, speaks for themselves. So that's our Kate. So using that, we've got a peony to complement that, and we've also got some rather lovely clematis. We have some magic Pepita spray rose, and the sort of more of a generic florist rose, this one really. This one is the Bridal Dusky Pink. You can see it's a much larger style rose, but obviously you don't get that fragrance and the opulence that you do with the garden rose. And my foliage is this rather lovely grey toned olive, which actually appears to have a few flowers coming out on it. So that's my olive, my rose, Bridal Dusky Pink, magic Pepita, Kate, and my peonies and my clematis. We're going to use this rather lovely basket. These baskets are available on our website. A really nice, sturdy, strong basket. So I've just put a block of oasis in there. I have actually cut a small amount of oasis underneath just to lift it up slightly, because the block itself was actually below the edge of the basket. So it's very difficult to get flowers in at an angle if your oasis is below the level of the container. I'm literally just going to tape that in to the basket. Incidentally, the basket is well lined, so water will not seep out of the basket. So using a 12mm anchor tape, I tend to bend the centre of the tape so it takes up less surface area against the oasis, and then I'm going to bind that around the handle just so it's anchored nice and securely, and then give it a good shake just to make sure it's nice and sturdy and it's not going to move about in transport. you everybody for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our fragrant monochromatic basket arrangement that we've created for you today. It's been a real treat to use such beautiful roses. Don't forget to share us with your friends and like us, and don't forget also to subscribe to our YouTube channel where there's lots more information, videos and tips and hints for you to enjoy. And you can ask questions, so just post those questions down below and Laura and I will do our absolute best to get back to you with the answers. So until we see you again, thank you for watching, take care and goodbye for now.